LinkedIn has the largest database of B2B professionals, the most robust filter options, and it's the most up-to-date, but you can't easily export data from LinkedIn, and it lacks contact info. Until now, sales triggers, also known as buying signals or buyer intent, can be categorized as any event or behavior from your ideal customer persona that presents a relevant opportunity to make contact with the prospect. LinkedIn as well as Sales Navigator give you access to many reliable sales triggers. You just need to know where to look. And with Leadfwd, we make it easy to export and engage prospects that are showing buying signals directly from LinkedIn. Sales triggers can be anything from a prospect that reacts to a LinkedIn post from a competitor to a key leadership change at an account that matches your ICP. For example, if you're Acme CRM Consulting and you specialize in HubSpot CRM deployments, then targeting prospects that engage with HubSpot posts can be a great path to your audience. As another example, if your typical buying committee includes the CMO, targeting newly minted CMOs using Sales Navigator's job change filter is a great option, as new leadership usually has ambitious goals for change and growth along with budget. Sales triggers are simply great opportunities to add relevance and personalization to your outreach to make a more authentic connection at the right time. When you export prospects from LinkedIn using Leadfwd, our platform leverages multiple data sources to find and verify your prospect's current work email address. A verified email address, along with dozens of enriched insights, are then saved to your Leadfwd database or directly to your CRM. Leadfwd also allows you to automate LinkedIn engagement as part of the export process. These optional activities will also notify your prospect and let them know that you've either viewed their profile, followed their profile, liked their most recent post, or send a connection invite. Each of these options will help reinforce genuine human activity and add credibility by putting your name and profile in front of your prospect before your first email lands in their inbox. This small but simple upfront LinkedIn engagement has been seen to boost email response rates by nearly 20% when compared to sending email alone. Now is the time to trade in your spray and pray outbound tactics.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check lifetime deal link in the description below.